guess what car is my favorite one out of this entire haul I got? Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright Jelly Beans, I got one package here for you. It's from TB's Hobbies. It's another package from Whatnot. His link will be down below. It's like jump in and check out his Whatnot. And my Whatnot link will be down below, so you can sign up through my Whatnot link and get yourself a $10 in-app credit. I think they may be even jumped it up to 15. I'm not sure, but that is down below. But let's rip this puppy open. Yeah. TB's Hobbies is one of the best packers on here. Whatnot. That's why I continuously order from him. There's quite a few good packers on here. I like them. Alright. Alright. 4 of these. I gotta remember not to put any cars on top of the tape, because one of the times I did that, the tape got stuck to the cards and ripped the card of the car. Alright, here we go. What do we got here? Ooh-wee! Yeah! That is freaking sexy. Sexy, I say. It's the Volvo P220 Amazon wagon. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, sexy. I like that. That's a premium. Yeah. Oh. Here's an M2. It's a sweetheart of the little Red Express. It's a very nice trucky. Dodge 1978 Dodge Avenger 150. Pretty sick, I like that. Ooh-wee. This one's a little easier to get out, rip off, because there's a Dave Tucker's 1969 Chevy Camaro from Greenlight, Detroit. Detroit Speed Incorporation. It's a nice Camaro. Yeah. I think I got that from his Camaro show. Oh God, yes I did. Yes I did. Angelo Vespu's 1969 Camaro, Greenlight, yeah, from Detroit. Yeah, you got what I said on the other one. Ugh. Chevy Camaro test car, 2012. Detroit Speed Incorporation. Alright, I'm sorry. This was the 1969 Angelo Vespu's Camaro. And this is my least favorite one. I do not like the new body style of Camaro. And my favorite style right here is the Gary Mills 1970 Chevy Camaro Detroit Speed. So I pretty much got, I just need the Mose 1970 Chevy Camaro Chevelle and the 1983 Chevy Silverado C10. And then I'll have the complete set. This one, I like this one. I like the 70s as well. But I also love the 3rd gen Camaros. But the newer style I just do not like. The 4th gen is alright. That's the 90s. And here we go with the final run. Oh, hold on. What is this? What is this? That's pretty cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Very cool. I think it's a Nomad. And get yourself a TB's sticker. Now we go with the final run Camaro. Something they need to do with the new version of the Camaro. It's a 1993 retiring model. 1993 Chevy Camaro. It is called the Final Run, Hot Wheels Final Run. That is pretty cool, I like that. And here we go. Here is, I don't know. We got M2, we got green light, we got Hot Wheels, sadly. And what else we got here? I don't, this is a big box, so I don't know. Well, not a big box, but I do not know what it is, what brand. I know it's Fast and the Furious. Ah, almost caved the roof in. This is Jada 1973 Chevy Camaro. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, I think I have the I have Dom's Charger. Well, one of the Chargers I have. It's pretty cool. Oh, the pickup Brian's Ford F-150's here. Ooh, alright, cool beans. That's cool, I like that. The door moving parts. The doors open up. So alright, that's all done there. But my favorite car would have to be this haul would have to be this one. Would have to be this one. I like this a lot. A lot. I like this one a lot. It's definitely my favorite one out of the haul right here. And people are gonna be like, what? Yes, it is. Sorry to disappoint you, but alright, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.